species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and...
Release! Today's the day!
And look how many visitors came to see us all!
Yeah, out of the fun!
You know, I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here.
Well, why don't we tell them?
I'll tell the best.
You're afraid of
everything.
Listen up! These travelers have come a long way, and they deserve a good story, so we're gonna do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started with...
Oh, and Marlon fed a blue chain named Dory.
No, when they found that room.
Oh, no, it's when they escape both sides and both scared! Oh, no.
Nope. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo.
Nemo!
Yeah! It's time for school!
All right, we're excited. It's your first day at school, Nemo. We're ready to learn, to get some knowledge.
Hey Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe met shark when I was small? Or an angelfish, it's true that they have wings.
I don't think so.
Can you believe there are so many things? The big blue world. I'm gonna go explore the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures, swimming around the sea, in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey Dad,
Yo,
do
it's
you know how old sea turtles are?
sea turtle. If I ever meet one, I'll ask you.
Me too. Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle and a shark.
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws? You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale.
I want to meet a
You
whale.
lead me around to watch your tail. In the big blue world, just a little fish. In the big blue world, now you'll be seen as a tasty dish. So much to you. I don't know what I would do in this big blue world if something should happen to you.
No need to worry, Dad, I'll be okay.
I'm scared you'll end up as a clownfish fillet. Right around. We could wait one more year.
Don't be so boring, Dad. I'm the monkey.
Nemo,
Come on, Dad.
it's like this. Hold right there.
Take a look around you. The ocean's alive. In the big blue world. It's time for you to
Oh, let's name the zones, the zones, the zones. Let's name the zones of the open sea. Climb aboard, explorers. Who's this?
He's got a little fin. We call it his lucky fin. Now, if he gets tired, give him a break.
He'll be all right. Let's go, explorers. Hold on tight. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Really ready?
I don't think I'm ready.
We're ready to
Bye, son. Please be safe.
First stop, the drop-off.
The crop off.
Yes, the drop-off.
It was there that Nemo discovered that boat.
Our dentist boat.
What's that? Let's swim out and touch it. Yeah, come on, Nemo.
That's what it is.
Nemo! No, you can't be anywhere near here. You're not ready, that's right. You my son! I'm coming, Nemo!
La 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 la. Sorry, sir.
He's got my son! He's got Nemo! Have you seen a boat?
A boat. I've seen a boat follow me.
Thank you!
Do you mind?
What?
I'm trying to swim here.
We're trying to find Nemo! You were showing me which way the boat went!
A boat. I've seen a boat follow me.
Wait! We already did this!
We did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have no short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
Oh, there's something wrong with you, really? You're wasting my time! I have to find my son!
Chico?
Nemo! And
Well, hi.
Mine's Bruce.
I'm Dory, and this
Oh,
is...
no, you don't need to know. I was just leaving. I'd like to invite you morsels to a little party I'm giving.
What's your breakfast, mate? Rear stack and a tasty boy.
Right then, our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. Fish are friends, not food. Though we have long sharp teeth, we lie sharks underneath. We know that fish are friends, not food. Well, sometimes we know. Sure we make you hurt. We accept our problem. We know that fish are friends, not food. I'd like to be your friend. Last place of life in the ocean, lead to the ocean. Yes, it's when you need help, get through it, and help just won't do it. Don't stop feeding, swim to our willing, and yes, we sing the light. Each day we fight the fight to curb our appetite and change our attitude. Fish are free, 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 not food. Mind your distance, folks. I wouldn't want one of them. The pole!
Ow! You really clocked me there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, is your nose bleeding? It's good. Mental attack! I do a little time. Why let us get away? I need some food! That belongs to the guy who took my son. Hey, what does these markings mean? I can't read human.
It's nothing. It's not the same as escape.
Nobody can read. Read the rest. What can you in my side? Take on. I'm a little fish and I. No food.
Is it safe? Well, we made it to the best part of the story. Boy, I come in.
Honey, this is where we all come in.
That's right. This is the part where Nemo arrived at the dentist.
And he didn't even have an appointment.
Nah, our table was just a pit stop. The little guy was a present for the dentist's niece, Darla.
Darla!
Oh, no.
She's a fish killer!
She shakes the bed.
Nah, we weren't gonna let him go belly out. I had a plan. Hey kid, you're getting back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
But I don't swim well. I got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, Gil.
But this time, we got him. I promise we will all get out as long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success.
Yeah.
Swim in harmony.
And we studied intensely.
We're the fish of
Shark bait, you're one of us now. And we can't send you off to your death. Darla's coming in 5 days, but you'll be long gone by then. We all will, if we do this the way we do everything else. Little clownfish will our ticket to breaking free. What's your name, kid? Our escape plan was set.
Yeah, too bad it didn't work.
We just had to find another way. Remember, all drains lead
To the ocean.
Speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, but there was one big problem.
The mask is gone. That was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo?
Nemo.
Hey, Mr. Grumpy Gills, life's full of little spills. Don't throw your fins up in disgust. Oh, what's the use of floating there, not going anywhere? Swish your tail and dive on in, and trust that if just keep swimming, life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, what do we do?
We swim.
Right.
Oh, no singing! No singing, please! Right now that song is gonna be stuck in my head.
Look, there's a shiny thing, hey, that looks interesting.
Please, Dory, try to stay on task.
It says P. Sherman pointing to Wallace Gateway, Sydney. I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mask!
Yay, we did it!
Oh, yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
Follow our gut. Just keep swimming, everything will be okay. See? Just keep swimming, our tail and sure enough we'll find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad, then poof, the moment is gone. And what do?
We just keep swimming on. Hello there! I was looking for my son. Pardon me, my son was taken from me in a floating incident. I just succeeding. No, I'm trying to talk to you. Please, stop! No, Dory, wait.
Is this guy bothering you?
I don't remember, were you?
No, you guys know
Oh, Cap, I thought get away.
Nothing.
Go easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
Any of you heard of P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Bay, Sydney?
Sydney!
What you want to do is follow the EAC. It's the East Australian Current.
Swimming.
Current. It's in that direction.
Just keep swimming.
I believe you right there, Sydney. It's a big blue world out there. And the neighbor is small. The rest of the way is not so big at all.
Just Sydney.
Marlin and Dory were headed to the EAC. If we only knew. Because back in the tank, Nemo was losing hope that his dad was even out there at all.
Not my dad, he's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff. He's probably angry 'cause I was bad. I'm sure that he's not coming. Not my dad.
But his dad was coming.
At that very moment, Martin and Jordan found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And it was, as the kids say, totally awesome!
Dude, you have traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Yeah, but you're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and surf the sea with me. Go with the flow. Go with the Offspring!
Excuse me, Mr. Turtle.
Oh, dude, Mr. Turtle's my father. Name is Crush.
Show me 360, Squirt.
Check this out.
Oh my goodness!
Why don't you take it slow? Let them see how Squirt does flying solo.
I'll be a sea monkey someday.
You stop pedaling rock, Squirt. You're such an amazing kid.
Children.
It's awesome. Your exotic beach thing you do. They find their own way back to the big uplift.
All by themselves. But fun in there not many. I mean, how do you know? How do you know?
But you never really know. But if you're ever gonna grow, then you gotta let 'em go. You know, just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Get ready for Sydney! Your exit's coming up!
Crush, you forgot!
150 and still young! Rise us! Rise us! Yeah!
Hey, there!
No worries, man. Tell the little dude I said hi.
Oh, wait, we don't... Wow, that was fun! I actually enjoyed that.
Me too.
See you later, kids. Hey, Walt.
Come on! News of Marlin's journey traveled far and wide. The sea turtles told their fish friends,
Who told the lobsters?
who told the swordfish,
Who told the dolphins?
who told the albatross,
Who told the pelicans?
and threw that news right to our windowsill. Nemo, did you hear? Your dad's been fighting the entire ocean looking for you.
My father? Really?
And word is, he's in the Sydney Harbor right now.
That's my dad. I knew all along. Underneath, he's really brave and strong. He's on his way now, and I'm so glad of all the fish in the ocean. That's my dad. Gil, help me!
Everybody jump in.
Together, we swim together. Yay!
wasn't for you, I never would have even made it here. So thank you.
Wait. Stop! No one's ever stuck with me for so long before. Please don't go away. Please.
This is Dory! She helped me find you! I thought I'd lost you! I saw you belly up!
Well, I'm just pretending. Stay flush me down the drain.
Oh, thank goodness you're safe!
Dad, I don't hate you.
Oh, no. No, I am so sorry, Nemo. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle, and he was 150!
150? Wow. So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross the entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together, then you'll tell me!
Wanna make it 3?
So Nemo and his dad were finally reunited.
And it's time by Nemo's biggest hit. We hitched our own ride out to take on the Plastic Bag Express.
And that's how we ended up here.
Oh, I just love the happy ending.
But wait! What happened when they got back home to the reef?
Well, it is release day. What do you say we go find Nemo and see for ourselves?
Yeah! Well, catch you later, folks. We've got a date with the big
Time for school.
Now go and get some knowledge.
And come home when you're done. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
But remember to have fun.
Everybody find a buddy. You know that means you.
Wait, there's something I forgot to do. I love you, Dad.
I love you too, son. Now don't have any adventure.
Bye, Dory. Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.